First of all, I will credit our teachers and principal ma'am. Of course, only because of them, I could score 74.4, and I have studied like 6-7 hours in a day, and then.
Your good name, please. Your good name, please. Your name.
Lisa Busmatari.
Would you like to study in arts, science, commerce?
Yeah, I would like to study in arts stream. Yeah.
Your good name, please, and your result.
My name is Ritika Busmatari, and I've scored 66.4%. And
Whom will you credit for your results? Inspiration.
our principal ma'am, director ma'am, and our teachers, because they have worked so hard for us, staying day and night. Even when school gets over, they rest, I guess, for 2-3 hours and come again for our preps and.
Your result, please.
I am Sania Dimari and I got 80%. And I would like to thank all the teachers, principal ma'am for their guidance, support, and being there when we need them.
Your next stream.
Oh, I would go in science stream. I'm going to aim for GE exam, entrance examinations.
My name is Eugenic Busmatari and I scored 92.2%.
How many hours you used to study during your exam time?
I think I would say 4 to 5 hours.
What you will say to the new candidates who are willing to do best results in future?
I wish them all the best and I hope that they will work hard to achieve their goal.
For your good result, whom will you give credit?
I will give credit to myself, my parents, teachers, and that's all.
My name is Arush Paul and I have scored 94.2% in my class 10 boards.
How many hours you studied during
I-
your exam?
I used to study 4-5 hours a day.
From where you got inspiration?
I got inspiration from my teachers and my brothers and parents.
कौन सा स्ट्रीम में जाएगा अभी आर्ट्स कॉमर्स
I have sought to pursue arts in 11.
एडमिशन का
I have sought to take admission in the government college of Kokrajhar.
So my name is Abhinav Shekhar Narzari and I scored 89.8% in my class 10. So this journey of class 10 has been very wonderful for me as our teachers taught us very well. They supported us in all aspects that we needed. They would clear our doubts and they were like friends for us and they really supported us in our journey of class 10. Thank you.
My name is Manish Brahma and I have scored 95.6%.
Your next aim?
Sir, my aim, I will take science stream and I haven't decided which part I will go, either medical or engineering.